Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Moringa apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 teaspoon Moringa powder with 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar and 8 ounces warm water. Stir well and drink before meals to support digestion. Take a smaller taste first to assess tolerance. If you like, add a teaspoon of honey or a squeeze of lemon for flavor. Always use diluted vinegar and rinse your mouth after drinking for safety. Take the Moringa and apple cider vinegar, blend 15 to 30 minutes before a meal to help digestion and support steady energy. Moringa supplies robust vitamins, while apple cider vinegar can help with post-meal blood sugar balance. Keep portions modest and consistent for best results. If you feel any stomach upset, reduce the dose or skip a day. Always consult a healthcare professional for personal concerns. Choose quality ingredients like raw apple cider vinegar with the mother and fresh Moringa powder to maximize benefits. Keep portions conservative, especially if you take medication for blood sugar or have acid reflux, and consult your provider first. Protect tooth enamel by diluting well and rinsing your mouth after drinking. Store Moringa in a cool, dark place to preserve nutrients and replace powder regularly for best potent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.